Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. Welcome to back my trendy pattern design channel. In this video you will see some beautiful handmade crochet bedsheet design. These bedsheet designs are not just for use, they also make your room look elegant and stylish. The best thing about crochet bedsheet is that you can choose any color, any patterns you like. When dark colors and light colors are mixed together, the designs look even more attractive. Each design has its own unique beauty. Crochet work is very special because it is handmade. Every stitch shows efforts and creativity. That's why crochet bedsheet designs are long lasting and stay beautiful for many years. No matter if you like a traditional style or a modern look, crochet bedsheet always fit and give your home a cozy and classy touch. If you want to decorate your room in a unique way and unique style, crochet bedsheets are a perfect choice. For more crochet designs and ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Trendy Pattern Designs channel. Also press the bell icon so you can get updates on my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.